Dyfi, that was it.
Dyfi.
We're at Dyfi Bike Park. It's not quite opened yet. Apparently they're going to open at the end of July this year, 2019. And we're going to do a run down what I reckon will be the most popular line, which is the jump line. Let's go. Yeah. Right, this is a jump here, but I'm not hitting this at all. That's big. This one's difficult. I'm gonna manny that. In a cloud, so it might get a bit fogged up. Whew. Case that. Big hit. Woohoo! Bit long on that. Oh, going wide. Getting a bit sketchy now. Roll that. Not about that. Right, now down into the next section. Let's go. Oh, I just cased that. Oh, a bit long. Whew. Wow, that is tiring. Whew. This bit's a nice little cruisy bit. Chance to get your energy back, ready for what's to come. It's actually quite dark in here, but just a chiller. Little jump. Oh yeah, going into some jumps now. Oh god. Oh god, I'm knackered. Little tabes. Little whip. Yeah, I need to ride a mountain bike a bit more often. Something without an engine. Right, we're coming up to a nice flowy downhill-ish part now. Some rocks here, blast over them. Little jump out of a van, another jump into nothing. Woo! Overshot that a lovely amount. We're up, we're up. Little nose bonk. Whoa! Whew. Foot came off. That was awful. That was really bad. Pre-hop that. And then back into cruise mode. Ready for the next steep bit. Straight into it. This bit's steep here. Whoa, snaking. Really steep here. Off the brakes, back on him. Off the brakes, back on him. And then to the end. Whew. What are your thoughts on Dyfi Bike Park?
It's a good bike park.
Right.
My leg just collapsed.
Good. Enjoyed today. Thanks to Dyfi Bike Park.